Hello guys, hope you're doing fine. Josa Agro Farm, we are located at Vaka in Wakiso district along Hoima Road. Yeah, that is where our farm is, and our farm is called Josa Agro Farm. Please kindly subscribe on our YouTube channel. It is called Josa Agro Farm channel. Subscribe, like and comment. Press that notification bell so that you can be notified for any new upload. And today I want us to learn how you can treat your chickens using home remedies like charcoal and others. But today we are going to learn on charcoal. I think everyone knows charcoal. That smashed charcoal. It is called orsenyente. You get that smashed charcoal, then mix it with water. Then after, get the kasenge, the filter, only remove. We want only water from the mixture. Then the residue, you can throw them. After getting that water, then you after getting it, as you see the way I'm doing, I think you can see. After all that, you get that mixture, that black water from the charcoal. After filtering, now this in the basin, the residue. For those, you can throw them or put them in the sun to dry. Now this one in the drinker, it is water. Yeah, it is water, only plain water without anything. We've prepared. We want to add the other black water, the charcoal water, into them. Yeah. Then here we've brought that water. See how we do mix them. You only pour a little, like quarter of the cup, quarter or half. It depends how many birds you have. Now to me, I have only not many birds. They're like 300. I think you can see. You do mix them. Then after, when everything is done, then you can take them to the chicken house. But before giving them this charcoal water, you have to first remove water from the kitchen house for like 30 minutes, so that when you bring this charcoal water, they are fighting to drink. Each bird is fighting to see that it takes that water, it drinks that water. Yeah, they have to be very thirsty. You have to make sure that the drinker is closed properly. Not pour that water into the chicken house. I think you can see. Very careful. See how birds are fighting. They want to drink. You see? Josarok Agro Farm. We are located at Baka in Wakiso District along Hoima Road. For any information, you can contact us on our numbers, they're always on the screen. Please kindly subscribe on our channel. It is called Josarok Agro Farm channel. Like, comment, press the notification bell so that you don't miss out any new upload.